We've all seen the same problems over and over again. Networks get clogged, gas fees shoot through the roof, energy use is unsustainable. And suddenly that future of finance doesn't feel so futuristic anymore. But here's where Alph changes the game. Alph is built for scale. It uses something called block flow technology. And what that means in simple terms is transactions can run in parallel, not one by one like on most blockchains. That makes it fast, smooth, and ready for real-world adoption. Now let's talk about security. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Alph takes the proven UXO model, the same system Bitcoin runs on, and upgrades it with its own smart contract language called Alph. So, you get the security of Bitcoin with the flexibility of Ethereum, but way more efficient. And here's the kicker: sustainability. Everyone's worried about blockchains sucking up huge amounts of power. Alph has a unique consensus mechanism called proof of less work, which keeps the network decentralized but cuts energy usage dramatically. That's huge for mass adoption, of course. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Alph token. It fuels transactions, powers contracts, and rewards miners. As adoption grows, demand for Alph only gets stronger. But the biggest reason I'm paying attention: timing. Alph is still early. It's not overhyped. It's not overcrowded. It's quietly building a foundation while everyone else is distracted chasing memes. And we all know what happens when the world finally catches up. So let me set the scene for you. Imagine a world where every app you use, every service you rely on, from banking to gaming to social media, suddenly starts accepting Alph as payment. It's not a fantasy, it's a roadmap. And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky prediction. This is Alph's roadmap. And the best part: you can be a part of it from the ground floor. Think about the projects you've backed in the past, the early investments that turned into massive gains. This is that kind of opportunity, but with a solid, experienced team at the helm. The potential is massive. The question is, are you going to be left behind? Here's what you need to know. First, this isn't just another hyped-up token. Alph is solving real-world problems with real-world solutions. Second, the timing couldn't be better. The crypto market is ripe for disruption, and Alph is leading the charge. Third, the team, with a stellar lineup of advisors and a CEO who's a serial entrepreneur. This isn't just a group of developers throwing code at a wall. These are builders, thinkers, and doers who have a proven track record of success. Finally, the community. This is a group of passionate individuals who aren't just here for the ride. They're here to build something that lasts. To me, that's why Alph is more than just a project. It's a movement. It's a chance to be part of the next big thing in crypto. So if you're ready to be part of the future of finance, if you're ready to be part of a project that's not just building a better mousetrap, but actually changing the way we think about money and value, then keep your eyes on Alph, because I can tell you one thing: this is just the beginning.